Friends, in this video we learn how to make the one by one plastic couplings, PVC couplings in Creo software. Now this is our exercise 2. Now before starting the modeling we study this sketch. Now this is a 2D sketch. Now here you can see the 32 mm outer diameter of the couplings and now 40 mm length. Now here the 25 mm inner diameter, and now at the center of the coupling the diameter will be reduced. Now both the side 80 mm step. Now start, select the plane. Now draw the circle, give the diameter 32 mm, 32 mm. Now press OK. Now here you can select the symmetric, and now enter the 40 mm. Now press OK. Now change the view shading with edge. Now appearance will be changed from here. Select yellow colors and now OK. Now select the sketch, select this face and draw here circle. Give the diameter 25 mm. Press OK. Now select the extrude, select, enter the value 80 mm both the side. Now change the direction. You can see here the extrude cut option is operate. Now finish this one. Now select these extrude features, select mirror, select the mirror plane and press OK. Now you can see both the side mirror. Now select the sketch, select the inner face and now draw the one circle which is less than the 25 mm, 23 mm. Now finish this one. Now select the extrude, select the opposite direction, select 10 mm. Now extrude cut. Now select the face, and press OK. Now hide the whole axis. Change the appearance. Thank you for watching these videos.